Are you worried if you should open or close your crawl space vents? And you've come to the right place. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Mitch with Encapsulations Down Under, and we're here to be your resource for everything crawl space. And today's topic, crawl space vents. Crawl space vents were installed into homes to help them breathe better, have good air exchange, and to prevent any moisture buildup. However, as time has gone on, building science has improved and changed and has proven that maybe crawl space vents aren't that good after all. A study was done that actually found that vented crawl spaces match similarly to the outside environment. So if the outside environment has 90-degree temperatures and high humidity, as will your crawl space. How is that sound energy efficient in any way, and how does that sound good for your home? By having high amounts of humidity and moisture in your crawl space, you could then begin to have wood rot, mold growth, and other funguses begin to grow, which will wreak havoc. So now the belief may be it's best to close off your crawl space vents and just condition the inside space. While you may not have as many air exchanges or proper ventilation, you will be able to condition the space properly and prevent high humidity and moisture levels. In summary, it actually may be best for you to close off your crawl space vents, install a dehumidifier and encapsulation system, and properly condition the area, thus leaving you with a safer home and improved air quality. If you have any questions or are worried about your crawl space, give us a call. Thank you and have a wonderful day.